just found a brand new AI tool that makes Gmail and Outlook look like they're stuck in the Stone Age. Imagine waking up to hundreds of emails tomorrow, but instead of you feeling stressed out and anxious, you actually feel pretty good because when you go into your inbox, there's already a bunch of drafted replies to a lot of those emails, and they're all labeled out correctly so that you know where you actually need to focus your attention instead of just focusing on how many emails you got. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what that brand new AI tool is, how you can begin to use it today, and I'm gonna share with you a bunch of crazy different use cases you could use this tool for to help start saving you hours every single day. Now, that brand new AI tool that I'm talking about is Serif AI, because this is the easiest way for you to begin to save hours on email. This allows you to wake up to your inbox organized, replies drafted, follow-up sent, meetings scheduled, and so much more. And the best part about this is it doesn't take knowledge of how to set up AI agents or how to set up AI workflows. For example, if you've messed around with something like N8N, it is incredibly technical. It's really hard for a beginner to try to build out AI agents or AI workflows, but Serif doesn't work that way. In fact, it's incredibly easy to get started. Literally, all you have to do is log in. You're going to hook up your email. You can add in multiple email accounts. You're going to hook up your calendar. Again, you could add in multiple calendar accounts. You can hook this up to Zoom, and they have more integrations coming. And then essentially what happens is this goes through and trains itself on your email. Now look at what this actually looks like. We could come into playbooks right here, and I didn't actually generate any of these. Instead, this literally went through and made its own documents about how it should actually reply to things. For example, if we come to getting sponsorship questions, this literally goes through a bunch of different use cases for this, and Serif made this itself, because once you sign up, it's literally going to go through all of your email, see how you reply to them, and this is going to go through and build out all of these different playbooks. In addition to that, you can train this with a bunch of knowledge, and you could set up a bunch of rules for this. So this is what my inbox looks like now that I'm using Serif. We could see all these labels that are created. For example, needs response, FYI, waiting for reply, done, notifications, meeting updates, marketing, and also a bunch of other Serif specific ones. But basically, this goes through and organizes my email for me the same way that an executive assistant would. In the past, I had to pay a ton of money to have an executive assistant, but now I don't. One of the coolest things about this, if we click in here, we could see that this goes through and replies to emails. And again, if there are things that we don't want included, like the subject line right here, we could actually get this to train this out. For example, this is somebody reaching out about a sponsorship, and we could see, thanks for your interest in partnering with my channel. I appreciate you reaching out. To answer your inquiry, my rate is $4,000 per sponsored video. Please let me know if you have any further questions. Now, guess what? In the past, I would have had to go through, write that out. Now I don't. I could literally just approve this by clicking send, and this will go off and do it. And one of the coolest things about this is if we come over here and look at something like this, we could see the same exact thing here. I got an email that I sent to myself in order to automate this, and then boom, this went through and actually replied. Now, I know you have a ton of questions here, so I want to go through exactly how this works and a bunch of different settings that you could set up. So like I showed you before, you could go through and you can connect all of your different accounts right here. In addition to that, if you come into labels, you can see all the different labels that Serif automatically set up. We could see right here that it automatically went through and set these up, but if I have more, I can go through and set them up if I wanted to add custom ones. For example, I might want to add one for refunds or for something like that. In addition to that, if we come over here to drafts, we could see that automatically draft replies is turned on. We could tune the voice right here to make it more casual, normal, more polite. We can add in auto follow-up here. There are a bunch of different things that we could turn on, for example, placeholders or enable multiple responses. If we have a specific signature, we could add that in here, and we can even specify the default text style and what it's going to look like. In addition to that, if we come into rules right here, this is where you're going to add in rules in order to correct undesired behavior. For example, like I was showing you before, if we come over here into needs response, I didn't like that it added in the subject over here. So that's something that I would come in here and I would add a new rule. And again, you could describe your rule literally just in natural language, and it will go ahead and not take that action anymore. In addition to that, if we come over here into knowledge, we can set up our different preferences when it comes to availability, remote meetings, in-person meetings, and we could add in custom preferences if we wanted to. And again, you're literally just putting this in plain English. There's no coding, there's no really advanced stuff that you have to do here. Just explain to Serif the same way that you would a human how you want your email to be managed, and this will actually go through and begin to do it. In addition to that, I can import all of my contacts and important people in here. Again, these playbooks, Serif goes through and actually automatically creates them, but if we wanted to, we could click on this and add in new ones literally by just describing what it is and what situations it should use, and we could add in more knowledge base. So as we can see right here, right now, this has access to the folder of my email, but we can also upload more things. We could add in new documents, or we could give it access to new folders if we wanted this to be able to train on more things. In addition to that, if you come into the Serif Help Center, they have a bunch of really good things here. For example, if you want to learn more about training Serif, this literally goes through and shows you the best ways to train it, shows you how to set up the integrations and any basic stuff if you're confused about any of this. But again, it's incredibly simple to get started with this, and almost instantly, you're going to start to see results. Now, before we dive into some of the insane use cases you're going to be able to use this tool for, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Serif AI today so you can see how great this tool is for yourself. Because if you're sick and tired of waking up to the dread of having hundreds of emails and no action plan, this tool is going to save your life. I didn't believe that something like this could actually be created, and I was really surprised when I found this tool, and I think you're gonna have the same exact response because it's going to take away the dread of you having to go through your email and organize it, or having to pay somebody to do that, and AI can just instantly do it. Now, use case number one that I wanted to show off with this is trying to get to inbox zero as quickly as humanly possible. And the way that this makes this possible is through all of these labels and the automatic replies. Again, so when I log into my email, instead of me thinking to myself, wow, I have 100 something emails to go through, I can think about it like this. 55 of these are marketing emails. I don't need to look at those. 67 of these are notification emails. I don't need to look at those. Instead, I just need to focus on needs of response and marketing updates. So now I can very quickly go through these, see if I need to reply to them or if I don't need to reply to them. And for the ones that are already drafted out, I could literally just click send on this. And this makes a huge difference in how quickly I'm able to go through my email. In addition to that, it makes it way easier for me to go through my email on the go. If I was on my phone, getting on the train, about to board a flight, or maybe just walking the dog in the morning, I can get a really quick download on my email now instead of having to think about it, having to go through it, and thinking about the anxiety that I have if I opened it and saw all 120 emails here. Now, use case number two is going to be using this in order to make customer service a breeze. Like I said, I get a lot of different sponsorship inquiries, so this right here is part of customer service of me being a YouTuber, and I literally get this to go through and reply to all of my emails for me. Again, I could come through here, and actually this is where the issue is with this subject right here. So I just need to go through and delete these, but as we could see, this will go through and give them my standard rate quote. It will go through and request more information. For example, I'm happy to discuss your proposal in more detail. And then also I could build this out so that there are other templates to get to the next step. So typically after somebody agrees to the pricing to sponsor one of my YouTube videos, I go through and I have to get them to send over a contract. I have to get them to send over a brief. And then I kind of give them an outline of what they can expect. That it's going to take about 24 hours for me to send an idea. It's going to take another 48 hours for me to send the script. And then I can usually get the video done within 2 to 3 business days, depending on how busy my editor is. I could build out templates for all of that. You could do the same exact thing. If you get the same questions over and over again, FAQs, or you just have to reply to the same thing, this makes it way easier because you're literally going to be able to go through and download all of the different scenarios that you currently deal with in terms of customer service, upload them into here, and then this will automatically draft them out so that you don't have to go through and think about things. You're just approving things, and it's a way better process for going through email. Oh, and I know that there's constantly questions about this, so I did want to highlight this. Serif is secure and private. It's been verified by Google's designated third-party security auditor, and it has all of these different accreditations right here. Also, I did want to note your emails are never used to train general AI models, and only you have access to your private assistant. If you want to learn more about this, you could click on this right here and it will actually walk you through that. But I did want to call that out because I know a bunch of people are going to be asking about that. And if you look at things like ChatGPT, there are a lot of concerns around that. So this is going to be a way better solution for you if you're super worried about security and privacy. Now, use case number 3 is going to be getting this to actually go through and handle client requests. For example, I'm not sure if you know this, I also run another YouTube channel about how to grow on social media. So I have a pretty big agency that helps people analyze their content, their performance, and suggest changes that they can make. Well, guess what? Serif went through and automatically downloaded exactly how I reply to all these people, and I could see all the different documents that it created here. And over time, and through me creating rules around this is going to get really good at replying to common questions. For example, the best time to post on YouTube, or what kind of hashtags they should use, or whether or not it thinks a title is going to be good. You're going to be really surprised at how good this AI gets over time once it's been trained and gets constantly updated. And again, once it's in your email, it sees even what drafts you are actually replying to people with and gets retrained on that, and it just keeps getting smarter and smarter. And then the final thing that this is able to do, again, like I shared earlier, is handle your calendar and scheduling. You could go very in-depth right here with what kind of meeting preferences you have, when you're actually available, what kind of meetings you prefer, whether it be remote or in person. And you can even set up a bunch of different integrations like I showed you before, so it can very easily schedule all of your meetings for you, and you don't have to waste time doing that anymore. This is truly an AI executive assistant in your email. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other free AI tools that I can't believe exist. I'll see you over there.